Hi everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. In the last session, already we are discussed about sound, means how sound is produced, what are the functions of sound, and what is sound. Once we recall all those points, sound is a physical sensation sensed by our ears. The sound is produced by the vibration of the particles and functions. Sound is a very useful to get ideas, to grasp ideas, to get concentration or to get attention and some other signals like alarm and we have to come to know the danger situation by the sound. So now we are going to study the continued part of the sound, mainly sound. The sound is mainly produced by the vibration of the particles. Vibration. So vibration means the to and fro motion of the object is called as a vibration. Right? So here one thing, there are many sounds are produced in our surroundings and all the sounds are not same. Some are low pitch, some are high and some are medium. Then why it happens and how it happens in the nature? So that is depend upon the vibration of the particles. So depend upon the vibration, the sound can be classified into pleasant sound and unpleasant sound, right? So what is the pleasant sound? When the object vibrates in regular or when the objects vibrate regularly, we get a soft or the sweet sound is produced or pleasant sound is produced, that is called as music. And one more, when the objects vibrates irregularly means not in the order. So when the objects vibrate irregularly, what happens? There is a harsh sound is produced, means unpleasant sound is produced, that is called as noise. So the sound can be classified into two categories. One is music and one more is the noise. The music means the sound which is pleasant to ear, that is called as music, and the sound which is unpleasant to ear is called as the noise. So the examples of noise is almost the examples of noise, the people in the market, bus station, railway station, the children playing in the ground. These are all the examples of noise. And music, as you know already, like music is the best treatment for our depression, for our tiredness, and for our sad moments. So almost all sweet music, the classic, folk, so many music are there. So it like a medicine in our life. So this is about music and the noise. So we have to come to know very important is the music and the noise. Dear students, now you come to know already about the music and the noise. Now one more very important concept is sound. How sound can travel? How the sound can travel? So the sound can travel in the form of waves. So to travel from one position to the another position, one place to the another position, it need a material medium. So what's a material medium? The sound require material medium for their propagation. Propagation means the produce. So here air is a one medium, wood is also one medium, means water also a one medium. So almost all the solids, liquids as well as the gases also act like a media to propagation of the sound. That is why the sound can travel from one place to another place in the form of waves, especially in the air waves. So we can listen, we can hear the sound from the other places or a other person. So the material medium is required for propagation of the sound. And one more thing, medium. So you may take the wood or metal plate. Okay, so if we once beat, there is a sound is produced. Even in the human body also, there is a one important organ is there, one part is there, it is called as a voice box. That part is very very important to make sound in our day to day life. Okay.